Arrive in style with this Kia 2019 Forte LXS. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 147 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, center console, full with covered storage and clock-in dash. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.